Did you know that in 2026, thousands of people are earning extra income simply by using ChatGPT? Some are making a few $100s a month from home, while others are earning several $1,000s and have even turned it into a full-time career. But here's the most surprising part. Many of them don't know how to code, and they don't own large businesses. So, how are they making money? In today's video, I'll show you 10 real ways to make money with ChatGPT, and the final method is one that most people still don't know about. Number 1. Writing YouTube scripts. Thousands of content creators publish new videos every single day. ChatGPT can help you create scripts in minutes. Your job is simple. Copy the script, turn it into a video, and upload it to YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Number 2. Writing blog posts. You can earn money by writing articles for websites. For example, Listverse publishes selected articles and may pay around $100 for an accepted submission. Chicken Soup for the Soul publishes true stories based on personal experiences and may pay up to $250 for selected stories. Other websites that accept submissions include Writer's Digest, Income Diary, WOW, Women on Writing, and the American Mom Contributors Program. Number 3. Creating social media content. You can make money by creating posts for Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Many businesses publish content regularly, but don't create it themselves. Instead, they hire content creators to do it for them. You can offer these services as a social media content writer through freelance marketplaces such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Number 4. Creating ebooks. You can write books on specific topics and sell them as digital products. Write your book, convert it into a PDF or EPUB file, and sell it through platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Number 5. Freelancing. You can earn money by offering writing and research services online. Some clients need lists of company email addresses, business contacts, or other research-based information. You can organize the information in spreadsheets and deliver it to clients. Number 6. Email marketing. Businesses often hire people to write professional emails. You can provide services such as writing marketing emails, newsletters, and business communications for clients. Number 7. Creating online courses. Educational materials can be turned into profitable digital products. Topics such as English, mathematics, AI tools, and technology are always in demand. You can create worksheets, study guides, practice exercises, question banks, checklists, ebooks, and video course materials, then sell them as PDFs, videos, or presentations. Number 8. Creating digital templates. Checklists, guides, and templates are among the most popular digital products online. Examples include a 30-day savings plan, a 50-task checklist for new YouTubers, a collection of 100 ChatGPT prompts, monthly budget templates, content planning templates, and daily productivity templates. Number 9. Creating content for small businesses. Many small businesses are constantly looking for people to create content. Examples include restaurants, fitness centers, real estate agencies, personal finance companies, and technology businesses. Reach out directly to local stores, online shops, restaurants, and small tech companies. For example, a restaurant might say, "We need 30 Facebook posts every month." You can use ChatGPT to create draft posts, edit them, and deliver them to the client. And finally, number 10, the most exciting method. You can build an AI-powered content business without creating your own product. Choose a niche, such as personal finance, AI, technology, health, or education. Use AI to create content for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and blogs. Then monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales. All 10 of these methods can be accelerated with ChatGPT, helping you achieve results much faster. You can choose just one of these ideas and start working on it today. Which of these 10 methods do you think is the most effective? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more videos like this.